Hello everyone, this is the Audi TT MK3. It's from mid-2016 and today we're going to take a look at all of the different storage options that are in this car. This is the 2.0 Quattro S-Line. Let's take a look at it. We'll of course start in the back. Here we are. This is the back of the car. I got my umbrella there. Now, this is already a pretty decent space. You can have all your groceries, you can have whatever you really want in here. But underneath here, you also have pretty decent space actually. And I have a lot of shit down here. You know, a blanket, some spare wiper fluids. There's a thing to program the car. All kinds of stuff that is it's pretty nice to have. You of course have your battery also, and your repair kits. Mine actually has an extinguisher, not really sure why. Emergency release and the triangle. That's what's happening underneath here. So you can put a lot of stuff down there. Now, of course, in the back, it's also where you have your 12-volt output, and you have a strap right here to secure something, maybe a jacket or something. And you also have these anchors here that are used for the luggage net that you can get with the car. There are 4 of those, and you will make sure that it's connected to all 4 corners here. Now, of course, this one you can just pull out, and you will have very easy access to the back seats, and with a small flick here on these, the back seats will fold completely flat, and you will have a really large area actually. I read somewhere that this area is actually a bit larger than a Ford Fiesta, so that's a fun thing to have. Yeah, I was carrying 4 16-inch wheels, a rear silencer and a mid pipe for an Audi TT, a Mazda MX-5, and some extra luggage in here just a couple of weeks ago, so plenty of space. Now let's take a trip to the back seats. Of course we just folded them down, but we can very easily fold them back up. Just like that. And while we are here, let's see, we have a small net here for just keeping, a magazine or small brief something. That's for the passenger, but yeah, you're probably not going to be carrying any larger passenger. You also have your isofix points, and also you have what I think is really nice up here is this small hook where you can attach, you can hang your coat from, so it's out of the way in the back. That's pretty much the back of the car. Of course, you can always store items directly onto the seats if you don't mind. But let's move on to the door. And the door actually has a really nice area right here. It's soft, padded, and it goes pretty far in. So you can have a water bottle here. You can have, maybe a bag or something, and plastic bag to handle something. Going inside the car, we of course have this little area right here in the middle that is springy. You can open it up, and here you can have various accessories and stuff. It has the auxiliary input, and it has 2 USB inputs, and these USB inputs actually have some power behind them, so they will charge your phone, so that's neat. And it's a nice thing where you just kind of pushes it and it goes back automatically. Then of course we have the bottle or cup holder right here, and a little area here where you can actually store your key when you are not using it. And you also have this center thing here with room for coins for your shopping cart, and you can have a lot of stuff down there. And also there's this small cup holder, extra cup holder that you can flip up. And of course you also have your 12 volts out down here. So a neat little area, you know. Of course, in the other side you have the exact same pocket as on the driver's side. And last but not least, you have the luggable glove compartment here, where you can store, you know, of course, your gloves, spare stuff, the car's manual. You have the safety vest and a pin, all the stuff you need here. That's also where your Audi multimedia center is, if that's an option you have. But let's put the gloves back and close here. And that's pretty much all there is to it. A great little car with lots of room, I think, coming from a Miata, a MX5. This is certainly way more spacious. And yeah, just for me, all around great car. Practical, fast, great looking. I really like it. But that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. I hope you got a better understanding of the cargo situation in the Audi TT MK3. And yeah, until next time, just have a good one.